Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Insurance Education. My name is Raymond Macmillan if you're joining us for the first time. I want to take you back to 1840, the year 1840, 183 years ago, just to show you that cases which were decided way back then still form the foundation for behavior in today's world in respect of contract law. I am referring to a case called Hyde versus Wrench in respect of contracts. Let's take, for example, Mrs. Jones is sitting before you, client-facing representative in an insurance company. You got a proposal form. The proposal form is completed. And based on the details, you were able to give Mrs. Jones a quote. Let's say £1,000 is your quote to cover her risks of £1 million for her building. Mrs. Jones says, "Oh, I can't pay £1,000. Could you give me for $750?" Ladies and gentlemen, at that point where Mrs. Jones is trying to bargain and to offer you another price, in law that is called a counter offer. At that point, you have three choices. The representative there can say, "Sorry, I've changed my mind." Two, they can say, "No, it's a counter offer, and let me talk to my boss to see if we will accept." Or the representative can say, "Okay, I can give you for $900. You have choices. But the fact is, from the time the person starts to bargain to suggest another price to you, is what we call a counter offer. And that's what happened in 1840 in that case of Hyde versus Wrench. What I like about that case is that Hyde trying to bargain to get the farm for a lower price. He wanted it for $950, but Wrench had already said £1,000. And then guess what? When Hyde realized he's not getting through, he said, okay, I'll pay the £1,000. And Wrench says, "Sorry, I changed my mind." Have you ever been in a situation like that where you quoted a price and someone is trying to beat your price down? At that point, you can change your mind and you have precedent to lean on to say, this is a leading case. You've quoted your price should be accepted as offered. If not, you have three options, as I've mentioned before. Leading case in contract law, UK law. If you're doing the diploma at CI level, this is for you. That's the situation you'd call, you remember, stare decisis? Let the decision, the precedent which was set in a previous case, let the decision stand. I trust this was helpful to at least one person. Maybe on Monday when you're having a client, you may remember offer, acceptance as offered, counter offer. I have three choices. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. If you like this video, may we invite you just to click the like button. And why not subscribe to our channel? I have another interesting case for you next week, and I'm looking forward to seeing you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.